In the land of Wakanda, a kingdom hidden from the world, the people lived in peace and prosperity. Wakanda was known for its abundance of vibranium, a powerful metal that made the nation thrive. At the heart of this vibrant land was its king, T'Challa, who protected his people as the mighty Black Panther. But life in Wakanda was about to change forever. One day, devastation struck when King T'Challa passed away, leaving the throne vacant and a nation in mourning. His sister, Shuri, known for her incredible intellect and tech-savvy skills, was heartbroken but determined to keep her brother's legacy alive. As the nation grieved, trouble brewed on the horizon. An old enemy of Wakanda, Namor, the ruler of the underwater kingdom Talocan, saw the vulnerability in Wakanda. Namor wanted revenge for past grievances and had his eyes on Wakanda and its precious vibranium. Shuri, now feeling the weight of her responsibilities, had to step up and make difficult decisions. She knew she had to defend Wakanda at all costs. With her friends and allies by her side, including Nakia the spy and Okoye the fierce warrior, Shuri began crafting new weapons and strategies using her scientific prowess. She dug deep into the traditions of the Black Panther, learning from their mighty ancestors. Even as challenges loomed, Shuri found strength in her people. Fueled by a bond of unity, Wakanda rallied behind her. As the threat grew closer, Shuri discovered that Wakanda had more allies than she realized. Talocan appeared, with the mysterious Namor leading forcefully, his army formidable. In the heat of battle, Shuri faced Namor, using not just technological advancements, but also her heart and her knowledge of Wakandan traditions. The battle waged on, teaching Shuri about courage, leadership, and what it truly means to be a protector. Underneath the deep blue ocean, warriors clashed, and alliances surprised everyone. With bravery shining brightly, Shuri realized that defending Wakanda was about more than armor or fight. It was about family, legacy, and a promise to keep the kingdom safe. In an epic showdown full of twists and unexpected turns, Shuri emerged victorious. Though Namor retreated, he acknowledged Wakanda's relentless spirit. As peace returned to Wakanda, Shuri knew that fulfilling her brother's legacy was just the beginning. Together with her people, she vowed to protect Wakanda forever, standing tall as a new protector. She might not wear Black Panther's suit, but her heart and her courage were enough to encapsulate the legacy of her brother. Wakanda, with its new leader, roared with renewed pride and hope.